Auto blogging. Are you frustrated setting up a blog? Does it take too much time and you see no result? Have you spent a lot of money on content writing? Almost time you are stuck with these selections and not getting the proper theme and plugin. What if you can get all these things in a single software without paying any monthly subscription fee? Saving hundreds of thousands of dollars. The good news is it is possible. And this software is loved by millions of entrepreneurs, business owners, and everyone. I will show you an app that automates your blog in a single click. No need for domain or hosting and no need for content creation. This software does all these for you in just a single click. This software comes with exclusive video training, where you can easily create a blog in just a few clicks. Click on the link in the description of this video to get instant access. Subscribe to this channel, Smart Software TV.